Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate TurboTax if you purchased it from Costco. So if you recently got TurboTax and are wondering how to get started, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up and click it to begin the quick registration process. You'll then be asked to enter some basic information such as your name, email address, and other required details. At a certain point during the setup, you'll be prompted to enter your product key. This is a very important step for activating your TurboTax software. If you purchased a physical copy from Costco, you'll find the product key inside the packaging. If you bought a digital version, the product key should have been emailed to you. Make sure to enter the key exactly as it appears. Double-check for typos since this code verifies your purchase and unlocks your TurboTax access. Without it, you won't be able to continue the activation process. Once your product key has been successfully verified, you'll be asked to create or sign in to your Intuit account. And that's it! Your TurboTax is now activated and ready to use. And there you go! That's how you can easily activate TurboTax from Costco in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tax tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.